Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Phyllis. If you're new here, to the new subscribers, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to subscribe. To my viewers that always come to watch me, thank you guys for always coming back. And to my returning subscribers, the one that have already subscribed, I appreciate you so much. I don't take you all for granted. And anyway, so I'm doing an intro for this vlog because I don't want to be doing a voiceover. I get quite lazy these days with voiceovers, so but I will have to do it anyway. So we're starting the vlog from here, and I just want to share with you a few days in my life. So in the life, so I show you what we'll be doing anyway. So for today, first of all, I want to start with I'm going to Masai Market. So there's something that I need to get. It's a gift for someone who isn't in Kenya, and I figured that the best gift for them would be something like African, something that is giving African because they have like bigger stores there for clothes or whatever than here. So that's what I want to get first before anything. I don't know if today it's like uh safe or anything, but I think it is. So yeah. That's the first thing, and then you can come and do the rest of the stuff at home. And I have some things that I want to show you, like some home updates, some stuff that we're going to be doing for the home. But these ones are for the outside, not the inside. So yeah. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, I don't like making eye contact. That's why I always try to look somewhere else. I'm shy, but yeah, we move. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like.
I think I need space from you. We got two different point of views, two different I love yous. I don't like it here, and the shit you do is weird. Standing with the boombox in the rain, 'cause you know you cause me pain. It's running through my veins. Ooh, oh, oh. You thought you had me, giving me reasons to cry. But it's funny how you lie. You don't even try, it's weird. I'm in tears. Now I'm on your case because you led me astray. I tried to push you away, but you was begging to stay. It's not something you should be proud of, but when push comes to shove,
you think you really trying to tell me something right now?
LOV, love is something that we need, but you keep playing games. Now it's up in flames, trying to explain, point and blame. You thought you had me, had fallen, you'd catch me, giving me reasons to cry. It's so funny how you don't even try, it's weird. So
Hey, yeah,
So guys, I'm back home and I just want to show you some stuff that I got and what I got myself from Masai Market. I only got like wooden spoons, nothing else for me. So and then Next Gen has this shop. It's called it's called Simi something. It's like Miniso. I've never gotten anything from them before, but I found them at Next Gen, so I decided to get some stuff. So let me show you what I got, and then I want to serve the food because I'm starving right now. Anyway, so the first thing that I got are these shower balls. So I got two, one for my son and one for me, a smaller size because I have a very very big one. But these ones are going for 189 Kenyan shillings. So we have two. They look very cute. I got these gloves for exfoliating, but these ones I got them somewhere else, not at the Simi V. I don't know if that's the correct name. And then I got this, I guess it's a hand towel. It looks pretty, so that's why I got it with the, like the mini doll over here. This one was 279 Kenyan shillings. I hope you can see. And then I got this one, this storage container. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it, but it looks very cute. Also, I love that it has the lid, so I'm definitely going to find something for it. Anyway, it's very pretty, I must say. And the price was 549 Kenyan shillings. So that's how it looks. And then I got these cotton pads. These ones were 219 Kenyan shillings. Lastly, I got this storage organizer or a storage bin, whatever you want to call it. This one was going for 1,099 Kenyan shillings. And I really love this one. So I'm definitely going to get some more of this. So I figured I might use it for storage of something. I'm not sure what, but I know I'll find a job for it. So that's how it looks, and it's pretty big, guys, and very good material. It's made from good material, so it's good quality. And that's the inside, very big. And the good thing is it has a lid, so you can close it when you want to. It has like a very soft feeling over here, so I think they have a thin foam over here, but I don't think you can sit on it. You can't sit on it. Anyway, that's how it looks. I love this one. So I don't know, but these ones I'll definitely go for more because I like it. And once I find a job for it, maybe I can like figure out where the rest that I'll get they'll go. Anyway, so that's it for these ones. Now, I don't think there's anything. Oh, and then I got these ones. We went to Masai Market. So Next Gen also has a Masai Market outside, which I think opens every day. I'm not sure about it. Not like the other ones. There's another one that opens on Wednesday. I don't know the one for town when it opens. But yeah, so for me, let me show you what I got. So we went to get some African clothes, and we got some wooden sticks, these ones, and something with Kenyan tag, with the Kenyan tag, anything. So we got like fridge magnets, the African sandals, the Maasai sandals, and like the sculpted, like I don't know, the sculpted animals. The market is very expensive if you ask me. Their things are usually overpriced, I guess, because they usually like the target customer is not like people living here, us Kenyans. It's usually, let's say, like tourists. So I don't know, maybe that's why they're expensive. Anyway, so for me, I just have this one. I got this one, so we bargained because we were getting a lot because of the others. So they were selling them. Initially, it was, I don't know, they were saying it's 1,000 bob. So we bargained to 700, which I don't know if it's affordable or it's expensive, but I love how they look. Let me show you. So that's how they look. And I really love the design. This is actually the reason why that I got them. The reason I got them. So yeah. And they are very smooth. So they'll be easy to clean. I had like another one that I also got from Masai Market, but this one is a different Masai Market. They look like this, and they have served me for a very long time. I've had them for a while, but also the reason I had these ones was because of this design. So now something different. But I think I like these ones more than these ones. I can't remember the price that I got these ones for. And then I have this one. So this one is like a deco piece of some sort, I guess. You want something like African. So this is how it looks. And these ones I really loved them. So they had like a bigger size. For me, I just got the smaller size because we'd already gotten like the bigger sizes. So for me, I got this tiny one. I think it looks very pretty. Let me show you. That's how it looks. I hope you can see it. So anyway, and yeah, I think this one is going to go on my maybe my TV stand to have something different for like decoration. And this one was 1500, and then we bargained to 1300. Yeah, I got a pineapple from Carrefour. I love pineapples, so anytime I find one, I have to get it. And this one looks very juicy. I got some minji. I've been craving this for a while. I don't really like them, but I've been craving them, so I'll cook them. Next, I just have soda. And then some sugary stuff. Did you find pants?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me see.
Is that cheeseburger mountain body from Burger King?
Yeah.
Burger King.
Yeah, I went to Burger King.
You want to Burger King and what did they really have?
I still remember when we bought that whiteboard so we could write down all the things we'd died for. Sometimes I'd rather die than live a life without you. But I'm still living with the expectation that our love was only on vacation. I couldn't change your mind in time. Now he's filling in these empty lines on this whiteboard. Oh, on this whiteboard. So that he's writing love letters to you with the same damn pen I used to use on the list of things we used to do. Is it true he's gonna marry you? We had so much left to figure out. These black ink dreams, they've all faded out. You erased our past and not just like that. I'm not the name after the heart on your whiteboard. on your whiteboard. I wish we could finish what we started. We both know this isn't what we wanted. These are feelings that I never really asked for. Wish I never saw the writing. I still remember when we bought that whiteboard so we could write down all the things we died for. Sometimes I'd rather die than live a life without you. Drop top on the motorway, all alone, girl, I'm on the way. I've been waiting the whole day, finding myself so impatient. I just wanna taste it. Feeling all your melanin melting through my hands. Your love, my vitamin, make me a better man. Riding on our own wave, they'll never understand. Trust me, it's all part of the plan. And to no surprise, we're dancing in the dark. Nothing else can tear us apart. You find your way back to me, but you're back on me. Tonight she's putting on a show for me. It's dangerous, she's got a hold on me. And surprise, you let me know. Oh, you have me mesmerized, achieved your goal. How can I concentrate when you're throwing it back my way? Tonight we'll do as you say. Oh, anything we can try. What you wanna do first? Always on our worst behavior. Maybe it's our curse. Oh, come in, let's get lost. Turn all the lights off. Into no surprise, we're dancing in the dark. Nothing else can tear us apart. You find your way back to me, but you're back on me. Tonight she's putting on a show for me. It's dangerous, she's got a hold on me. And I keep coming back for it. Back for it. Back for it. She gon' make her way to me. And I can't control myself when she's coming back for it. Back for it. Back for me.
I do a bad job acting like I still don't care. Like this ain't all still there, and it don't make sense, no. I try to talk to other guys like I'm alright, like you're not on my mind, but I stay up at night thinking. Really wanna say miss you, but I don't know if that crosses the line. Cause I know that we're just friends now, but a part of you still feels like mine. And whenever I see you, we start acting like old times. And I just have to ignore it all and pretend like everything's fine. But he's not you. He's not you. And I don't know what I can do when I know he's not.
So guys, an update about the solar panel installation. So they finished, and this is like where they placed, like, I guess this is where the control, it's like the control room. I don't know, because I don't know so much about like solar and whatever, but yeah, this is where everything went. So there's a bit of noise, but it's not too much, doesn't bother anyone. And they said you can switch to Kenya Power anytime you want, although I don't feel like I'm going to turn to Kenya Power. And yeah, that's how it looks. Over here, these are the stairs here. So this was just like a storage that I barely put anything apart from these bags here. So that's where everything went. I don't think there's anything else I can say about it. But yeah, it's working perfectly. Let me show you the only thing that I have to change now. So guys, now the whole house is run by the solar panels. They work perfectly. I thought there was going to be a difference, but there's actually no difference. It's still, everything is still the same. I haven't seen any difference. It's actually perfect. And so, okay, this is what I'm making for lunch. I want to make managu and clean up a bit because I want to transfer this stuff. I want to push like the microwave over here because I want the pressure cooker to come here, because right now I can't use this socket, this one, because it's going to be using the solar, and they said I should transfer it so that I can come to this side and use this socket that is run by Kenya Power. So yeah, I cook, I clean up a bit, and then I change things. I don't know how it's going to look, but anyway, we'll know. This is what I take, and I actually always forget to check them. So that's why they're in the kitchen. just one. I used Pregnacare for the first month before these ones arrived, and then I switched to these ones. You can see they were a lot, but I don't like them. I didn't like the Pregnacare as well, but we have to. So guys, let's cook.
I do a bad job acting like I still don't care. Like this ain't all still there, and it don't make sense, no. I try to talk to other guys like I'm alright, like you're not on my mind, but I stay up and I thinking. Really wanna say I miss you, but I don't know if that crosses the line, 'cause I know that we're just friends now, but a part of you still feels like mine. And whenever I see you, we start acting like old times, and I just have to ignore it all and pretend like everything's fine. But he's not you. He's not you. And I don't know what I can do when I know he's not you. All of my friends laugh when I start to bring you up, and they've probably had enough, but I just can't help it. They see me go out with my expectations low, 'cause in the back of my mind I know that it's you I'm trying to forget. And I really wanna say I want you, but I don't know if that crosses the line, 'cause even though you're gone now, your voice plays on a loop in my mind. And whenever you come round, we start acting like summertime, and I just have to ignore it all and pretend like everything's fine. But he's not you. He's not you. No, and I don't know what I can do, and I know he's not you. No, 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 he's not you. You should come through, 'cause none of them you. No, he's not you. So what do I do? 'Cause none of them you.
I think I need space from you. We got two different point of views, two different I love yous. I don't like it here, and the shit you do is weird. standing with the boombox in the rain. 'Cause you know you cause me pain. It's running through my veins. Ooh, oh, oh. You thought you had me, giving me reasons to cry. But it's funny how you lie. You don't even try, it's weird. I'm in tears. Now I'm on your case because you led me astray. I tried to push you away, but you was begging to stay. It's not something you should be proud of, but when push comes to shove,
You think you really trying to tell me something right now?
LOV, love is something that we need, but you keep playing games. Now it's up in flames, trying to explain, point and blame. You thought you had me, had fallen, you'd catch me, giving me reasons to cry. It's so funny how you even try, it's weird. So
Hey, yeah, so sorry about all of that. I just feel like it's me, not you. I don't know, I could just be bullshitting or whatever, but